Like, I'm gonna just let y'all know, creating this look is not going to be a quick, you know, walk in the park. All right, just letting y'all know. Hey y'all, I'm Christina, or ex-Rebelstina, and today I'm gonna show y'all how I got this look or whatever. Honestly, I don't have any type of explanation for this look, and my videos are always too long. So really, I'm just gonna shut up and we're gonna get right into this video. Also, this is an affordable look once again. Y'all already know what's up. Y'all know what's up when it comes to me. Everything is affordable, okay, baby? So if you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching. Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Y'all, this concealer is bomb as fuck. So yeah, I'm going to prime my eyelid using this in the color light, because the lighter it is, the easier the color shows up basically. And I'm just going to let this set for a little bit before I apply any eyeshadow or anything on. I'm not going to set it with any powder, by the way. Now that that's set a little bit, I'm going to blend out any type of creasing. The brush I'm using is this e.l.f. blending brush. And now I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. The first shade I'm going to be using is from this Nicka K palette. And I'm going to use it with my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. You want to use a brush that's pretty densely packed. Before I apply this product on here, I'm going to make sure I have no creasing once again. Try to blend any creasing out. And then I'm going to go right in with this shade and just tap it on. I'm not going to worry about any blending right now. I'm just tapping the color in. And I'm focusing this color in my crease. Now I'm going to be taking my Eco Tools brush. It's like a blending brush. And I'm going to use circular motions to blend this out. And then I'm also going to put a bit of this color on the outer corner of my eye. Now that I'm done with that shade, I'm going to be using this Delanci Nocturne palette. And I'm going to be going in with the color Maple Red. I'm going to wipe off any excess product on my brush. And then tap this a little bit below where I put that other color. And I'm also going to take this color a little bit in front of the first shade that I used. I just tap that on. It's kind of like a V shape. And now I'm going to take that same Eco Tools brush, do circular motions to blend this shade out. And then I'm going to take this Eco Tools brush with a bit of this first shade from the Nicka K palette. And I'm going to use this shade to blend the outer corner of the Maple Red and this light orange color together. And then I want to take it along the top. And really, I'm basically going to go back and forth between these two colors, building the shades up and blending them out until I get it to the way that I want it to look, basically. And then when I'm done doing that, I'll be back. Okay, so far this is good enough for me. Now I'm going to be going in with this color Silence from the Delanci palette. And I'm only going to focus it on the inner part. And right where this orange stops, I'm going to apply it right here too. And the tip is to look forward while you're doing this, because I've noticed that I have like a slight hooded eye or whatever. Like, I have a little flap right there. So what I do is I look forward and tap it on top of the flap just a little bit. just so when I open my eye, you can still see all the colors and stuff. And now I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking this Eco Tools brush once again and blending this out to the best of my abilities. The first time I did this color, this shade did not blend out easily at all. Like, I struggled so bad blending this, but try your best. That's all I'll say. Now that that's blended good enough, I'm going to be going in with this Nicka K palette. And I'm going to be going into this chocolate brown right here. And I'm taking this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush once again and applying it on top of that other brown that I used. And I'm also putting it next to that orange. I don't even know why I'm boosting myself right now because this looking apple. And I'm gonna take this Eco Tools brush and blend that out. And if I struggle blending this out, I go over it with this smaller blending brush. I got this from the beauty supply, but I found something similar to it on Morphe brushes, I believe. So I'll just put the name of that brush down below. If I can find the brush, that would be nice. And I would just take it. Oh shoot, this how the brush looks. And now I'm going to be going in with a black. I'm going to be using the color Dark Clouds from this Delanci palette. And to apply this, I'm going to be using an e.l.f. crease brush. With this black, I'm going to tap off any excess product that I can. And I'm also going to wipe a bit of the product off of my hand so it isn't too pigmented. And I'm just going to tap this a little bit below the brown. And then I'm going to go back in with that chocolate brown with this small blending brush and go over the edges of that black. And I'm also taking this brush and I'm dragging the product inwards like this so it's blended a little bit more. And really, I'm going to just go back and forth between applying more black and applying more chocolate brown until I get it to the way I want it to look. And now that I'm done blending this to the best of my ability, I'm going to be wiping off the product on my eyelid. And to do that, I'm going to be using a Q-tip and this micellar water stuff. But I'm going to just use this and kind of carve out where I would be cutting my crease. And then I'm going to take the other side of the Q-tip and clean it up a little bit. Okay, so now that I've cleared that part off, I'm going to be taking more of that Maybelline Age Rewind concealer with my Wet n Wild concealer brush. And I'm making sure I make this brush as skinny as I possibly can, so I like to use my fingers. Sometimes I like to use like a makeup wipe also. Skinny and flat, basically. You want it to be flat. I can't put words together today. And I'm just going to carve out this cut crease. And then I'm going to drag the rest of this concealer all over my, well, not all over my eyelid, but on the naked part of my eyelid. And when I get close to this black shade, I'm going to kind of drag it inwards with the tip of my brush. And then I'm going to be using the shade Ember from this Delanci palette with my e.l.f. eyeshadow C-shaped brush. And I'm going to tap this color on the outer part where I applied the concealer. And then I'm going to be using the color We Filled from the Delanci palette with the same eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to apply it on the inner part of my eyelid. Then I'm going to wipe off any excess product and go back in with that chocolate brown from the Nicka K palette and apply it a little bit on top of that amber. And I'm also going to drag it onto that orange a little bit to make sure it's a little, you know, a little more blended or whatever. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that maple red, apply it right here. Then I'll take a little bit of that light orange and put it right here, just to bring the color back. So this is as close as I can get it to looking like this side. You know how it's always one eye or one eyebrow, or it's always one side that looks better than the other, and you know, I try my best to get it to look like this one. But now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that I've concealed and blended and all the other stuff to do, I'm going to take that first color I used, which was like a light orange, a very light one, and I'm going to take this Wet n Wild crease brush. But yeah, I'm going to just blend this right here. I can't explain what this is. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be lining my eye with this Wet n Wild waterproof liquid eyeliner. And I'm going to use this random angled art brush to apply it. Alright, so now I'm going to just do my face. I'm still trying to decide whether I want to include my face into this video or not. I really don't know. If I can make this short and sweet, I'll include it. But if I can't, if it's long as hell like it usually is, then my face isn't going to be included in this video. So we'll see. So I'm going to be taking that Age Rewind and Light that I used to prime my eyelid. And I'm going to put some on my bottom lash line. And I will blend that out using an e.l.f. blending brush. Okay. Ooh. That's real sexy, bitch. Anyway, the first color I'm going to use is that light orange from the Nicka K palette with my Eco Tools brush. I'm going to tap it on and then blend it. And then I'm going to be using my eyeshadow brush, going in with Maple Red from the Delanci palette. I'm tapping that on my bottom lash line. I don't get why birds are, what is it, twerping or whatever the fuck the word is. I don't even know what the word is. But why are they up right now? It's like 12 o'clock. Why are they making noise? Then I'm going to go in with that chocolate brown in my e.l.f. crease brush. And then I'm going to apply some black eyeliner on my waterline. And now I'm finally going to put on my eyelashes. The eyelashes that I'm using are these Miss Lashes, the 3D volume lash. This is in M302. I get these from my local beauty supply, but you can also get them online somewhere. Yo, I didn't struggle this much putting my eyelash on earlier. I swear when I get on camera, it's like I struggle with everything. Okay guys, so I'm back with a wig on. The hair I'm wearing, I'll just leave a link down below that gives all the details and stuff. This is a wig, by the way. Wait, I just said it was a wig. But yeah, this is the completed look. I hope y'all enjoyed, had fun, learned something. Everything I use will be listed down below in the description box. And that's it. Bye y'all. I can't wait to take this damn wig off. This whole tight as fuck on my fucking head. Okay. H2.